everybody, what's going on? Welcome to Lippy's Fishing. It's me, John, and today we are here at the Cheat Lake Dam, and we're getting ready to do some fishing. We got some red worms with us, some crankbaits and stuff. I'm only fishing one pool today. We got our bridge net. Hopefully, maybe get a nice keeper size walleye or something would be cool. Haven't got much walleye yet this year from this spot, but we'll see what happens. But here it is. It's a beautiful morning. Not one person here yet. I'm the first here. Let's get it done. Ooh, look at that back there. You probably can't see that. All the way on the other side there. Something nice just come up. Wow. And I seen something come close up to this side. So, hey, it might be a really good morning. Water's not running too swift. They got one jet on up that way. We'll try casting up by it, see if there's any fish up our feed. I was getting bites up here in this calm stuff before it. A lot of people were saying when the water gets calm that the fishing kind of dies down up here. I disagree. I mean, you just got to be a little bit more patient maybe, but yeah, let's see what happens. Guys, you know where to cast when you see this guy. This guy is like the best fisherman I've ever met, probably. What's up, dude? Just chilling. Fish on. First fish of the day. He's no lunker. What do we got? Oh, look at baby catfish. Well, guys, he's no lunker, but he's our first of the day. There's one. The same way. It's got a little bit more fight, but I think it's the same. Yep. Another kitty fish. This one's hooked good. Right in the mouth. That other one swallowed it pretty damn good, sadly. There it goes. Alrighty. That's two baby cats. There we go. Fish on. This one is a better one. Fish on, guys. This one's a little bit better than those last two. I can tell you that. I don't know what it is. It's looking like a smallie. No, it's another catfish. Dang it. Well, at least this one's a little bit better. This one's a little bit better. We'll take that. There we go. Alright, let's get him unhooked and back in the water. He's probably, I don't know, would you guys consider that good eating size? I don't eat catfish a lot, but I've been trying them lately. I know a lot of people say the smaller ones are better, but I would prefer probably a little bit more meat than this little guy, if I were to take one. I'd only want to take probably one or two for myself. Fish on, finally. And this fish has got some more weight to it. So we don't have a little baby cat, I don't believe. No. Is that a walleye? Oh yes, finally a walleye. I haven't caught one up here yet, guys. Let's get him up here, come on. I don't think he's keeper size, but still cool to see. They gotta be 14, 15. Might be, let's see. They gotta be 14 inches. I have it screenshotted on my phone, so I have to actually check. Let's see. I don't know. He's going to be pushing it. Oh, yeah. He's about 15. He's keeper. Sweet. We got walleye. Ourselves a waldo. Dude, I haven't caught one of these in a while, so I'm pretty stoked. I've been getting robbed out there. I was wondering what the hell they were. We got one now. And I just had something that just felt just like that, so I bet you it was probably another walleye. He had a lot of slack in him. See that? My line was all the way over there. What do we got? Got some good fight in them. I think it's a nice walleye. Yeah, good walleye. It's a good one. Let's see here. I don't know if we need to net him or not, man. He's not huge, and not bad though. That's a better sized keeper one. I ain't keeping him though. I ain't got no ice. No ice, and it is hot as hell today. Come down, my guy. Hook set. Yeah, good sized walleye. A little bit better than my one on yesterday. Oh, tail slapper. A bit of a tail slapper. That's a good one. Leah's on the board again. You fighting good? I see him spiraling, or however you would say it, spiraling. Catfish. It's not a bad size one, a little bit bigger than the ones I was catching before. We'll take that size over them little baby yuppie ones. Alright, you want to hold them or anything? Okay. Little channel catfish, guys. This camera's gonna make noise. Okay. You good guy? Good to go. That's one of those things. Yep, that's your first. Nice. There he is. I forget what they're called. Red horse something, I believe. We've never caught these before up here. These are, I believe, different species. We thought they were suckers at first. Come here, guy. There he is, guys. You want to hold him, babe? Okay. Let's get him back. It might have been what you had on first.
Might have been.
Down here at a new spot to try, and already she missed one, and then she got one here. A smallmouth. Nice. Good job. Calm down, Tony. Want to hold it? Smallie. Is that your third fish today? Oh! He swam off at least. Ripping lips. Leah is ripping lips tonight. Oh! A little up and close action. There we go. Just had to get a little physical. A little smallmouth. Leah, come on, you have to do the honors. You have to touch one at some point tonight.
Yay. Okay.
Alright, see if you can do a better job than me. Okay, that was a lot better.
I wanted to make sure you went in the water.
Can't tell if Leah's got a fish or a snag or what she got a fish.
What?
She thought she was snagged. I seen when you were rowing and I seen your pole was bent. Look at your line, how slimy it is. Another little catfish? What did I just say about little catfish? So that's probably all we'll get into today. to start off the day at least. I'm gonna grab these pliers and we'll just. It's pretty cool looking, huh? Easy, my guy. There he goes. Yeah. Oh man. Pliers. Okay. Catfish. Yeah, small one. So like every fish we caught, like we didn't even know it was there because of the slack. And it's weird because it feels like your line's tight too, but it's not. Yeah, got a catfish. No, not really. Okay. Yeah.
That's a much bigger size, isn't it?
You want it?
Nah, I tell you
A
what.
little bit big?
Yeah. That's about almost eager, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd say so.
I'm gonna have to take one home.
We'll try it.
Them small ones are good to eat, man.
Trying it?
Nah, you know what? If I was going to, I'd have brought some ice with me.
Yeah, I feel you.
You know what I mean?
I feel you. I kept them the other day. That you seen that walleye?
Yeah.
That come out pretty good. That
They
was.
just take the pictures of it. I didn't even know Texas was going to south.
Oh, I'm in a snag. Wonderful. Set that down for now. Leah's got one. We were just talking. We said the bites died down. And Leah said, "No, I've been getting bites." As soon as she said it, literally, she sets the hook. Another cat. Another kitty. Another cat.
Bigger than the last one.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say so. Good job. Yeah, we're just letting it float. Nightcrawler. Uh-oh. Stuck on the line. Yep. Right on his fin, too. Wonderful spot, eh? There he goes. Alrighty. Get that little bugger back in the water. Got one. Small bass. Oh, he just kicked off. Son of a gun.